Good morning everyone, welcome back to my vlog channel. Today's date is Wednesday, January 11th. Today I'm just going to be doing a day in my life. It's a pretty crazy day ahead of us, but we're going to go ahead and do it together. I'll also throughout this vlog give kind of a little bit of a life update because I feel like a lot has happened and in previous vlogs I haven't really sat down and talked about it. So it'll be a chit chat vlog and also a whole day in my life. I have a lot of things to do today and I'm gonna bring you all with me. First thing is I just woke up, it's about 9 a.m. I just woke up and I'm gonna do a little ab circuit and then go walk Luca, so let's go. I just finished a really quick ab circuit and I'm gonna go walk the dog outside now. I saw this TikTok, or maybe it was a vlog, about how people were saying that if you go outside and walk within like the first, even if it's just like walking for 10 minutes, if you do that within the first 30 minutes of waking up, then it sets a really good start or like precedent to your day because you're getting up and out of the house so early and you're getting in a little bit of exercise that early. So I want to try that for 2023, but a couple things worth mentioning for this vlog. Number one, I didn't bring a tripod home, so I'm just gonna be either carrying my camera or like propping it up on weird little makeshift tripods the entire day. But yeah, I look like a little boy right now because my bangs are so short. But let's go outside for a walk and bring Luca. It's supposed to be rather nice today. I think it's in the 40s, but I can check. Today in Naperville is a high of 48, a low of 35. That is very warm. I'm gonna throw on, I think, my Sherpa that I bought from Walmart when I was a senior in high school. I think last time I wore this was, it might have been when I went to Wisconsin with Sean. Okay, let's go on a walk. It is so warm in Illinois today. I think right now it's like mid 40s, but it feels so nice. You can actually breathe deeply without feeling extremely uncomfortable. I do love being home. It is quite nice, but today's actually my last day home. I'm going to Vegas tomorrow to celebrate Nico's 21st. There's like 9 girls going total. It's gonna be so much fun, but I'm leaving tomorrow morning literally at 5:30 a.m. so I'm gonna have to like Uber to the airport at 2, which is really early, but the flight was cheap, so I thought it'd be worth it. So pretty much all day today I need to pack, get ready for an entire work year because I start working at UCSF since I've already graduated, which I feel like that needs to be like a whole separate video in it of itself, just talking about like my Berkeley experience and talking about graduating and the transition between post-grad and working full-time. I just like finished getting ready, had breakfast, and I've just been doing a bit of computer work this entire morning. Also, my dad is so sweet, he brought me back a coffee from Starbucks. He knows my order now. It's just, I guess this is a tall, but it only gets me a pike, or whenever I go to Starbucks and I order just like hot coffee, I get a pike place with a splash of oat milk. So good. But yeah, I finished getting ready and I've just been doing a ton of computer work this morning. I feel like a lot of things are going on and I kind of want to talk about it. One of my biggest tasks is to confirm and sign the contract for my car shipment. And so obviously right now I'm in Illinois and I have my Mini Cooper here and I need to get my Mini Cooper shipped from Illinois to California because I'm going to need it since I'll be living there full time. I might apply for residency there depending on where I want to go to medical school. I'm working on getting my car shipped from Illinois to California right now, which is a whole process. I'm booking it through Mercury Auto Shipping. They have fantastic reviews and the broker gave me a pretty good rate. I've been like comparing a ton of different companies to do this. And today I need to like sign the contract and make the payment and everything. And then they have to coordinate like pickup and stuff like that. So I'm trying to figure that out. I also this morning had to call the orthodontists and make a last minute appointment for me to go into their office literally today before I leave for Vegas tomorrow, because I have a permanent like wire retainer on the top and bottom of my teeth. And the one on the top I think broke because there's a piece that is really like sharp, and I can also like when I floss, the floss goes all the way up to my gums, and it's supposed to stop at that retainer. So they're gonna go in today and they're either gonna glue the retainer like back together, or they're just gonna remove it all together, and then I have to wear my like overnight retainer just like every single night and make sure I'm really good with that. And then I need to see a new orthodontist when I move out to California, or when I go back to California, and have them make me a new one and do like imprints and impressions and whatever. So there's a lot happening. Right now I'm gonna keep doing some computer work. Most of it is figuring out stuff for my car, so like signing the contract for the shipment, like putting down the down payment. I also will be registering my vehicle to be like a California car, so prepping all the paperwork for that. I'm supposed to be going into the DMV next Friday in the Bay. I also have a meeting coming up in about an hour, so prepping for that slightly. And yeah, and then I'm going into the orthodontist at around 2:40. So today's a really crazy day, and then in between all of that I need to pack, I need to send out emails, I need to work on like my med school apps. There's a lot to do, but it's okay. I'm really glad that at least like this morning we got out, and I was able to like go on a nice walk with the dog and stuff, and I'm happy that I'm vlogging. I feel like vlogging is kind of like the glue of it all together. It makes me feel like all of the errands and stuff that I'm doing is like being like manifested, and it's showing. So let's keep doing a little bit of computer work. I am about to put these luggage tags on my bags for packing, but for Christmas, Sean, one of the many things he got me were these really nice leather luggage tags. Look how nice they are, and they come with this little wire, and the wire is like so sturdy. You can just add that on, and they're so nice. And then you just flip the tag open like this, and then this is where I'll be writing like all of my information. So I'm gonna do that right now. I just had a super long meeting for Kesem. Okay, the meeting itself wasn't really long, but the planning that followed afterwards was a bit lengthy, just a lot of coordination. I realized more and more that like the position of chapter director at Kesem is literally just product management. Like it's all product management, it's all PM, and it's a lot of like coordinating, facilitating, making sure that everyone feels supported and connecting all the dots, and like being the underlying like glue and like foundation of a team to all execute a goal together. And it's really different work. Like last year I was an operations coordinator, so that means my job was planning all the events and planning camp itself ultimately. But this year, like, I'm not doing that anymore. Like, it's really interesting. But so yeah, I stepped away from the computer for a bit to do a little bit of housework. I'm gonna run a load of laundry and continue packing. I'm like on the ground right now trying to put my laundry into my laundry basket, but it's currently 1:30. I'll run this load of laundry and then yeah, I just need to keep packing, and I still have a lot of things I need to do to prepare for leaving tomorrow that are not like just computer work, like aside from computer work. That being said, I still have a lot of computer work to do. The good news is I can get a lot of that work done tomorrow once I actually like arrive in Vegas, and I don't necessarily need to do all of it right now. So my top priorities right now are doing my laundry, packing for Vegas and for Berkeley / like packing for moving. I need to clear out my entire car because it's getting picked up on Friday to be shipped all the way to California, so I need to clear that out. I need to run a couple of errands, which include printing out some documents for my car. Also swinging by like Walgreens just to grab like shampoo, conditioner, dry shampoo, stuff like that for traveling. And I did want to go to Nordstrom Rack to purchase like Polaroid film, but I'm honestly not sure if I'm gonna have time for it today, which is a huge bummer because I haven't been able to use my Polaroid in a while. And then I still, oh my god, I have my orthodontist appointment at 2:40, so I have a little over an hour to just do as much like homework as possible before I leave for that. And I would still like to run today, but honestly the day is slipping by really quickly, so we'll see what happens. But I'm gonna go ahead and run this laundry now. That's gonna run for about 57 minutes. Now
57 minutes. Counting down.
I need to have a snack. I'm kind of hungry. I don't really know what I want. Maybe I'll make eggs. I think I'm just gonna scramble 2 eggs. Have something to eat. If you remember my Berkeley vlogs from sophomore year, or maybe junior year too, you would maybe remember that I used to always love putting soyaki or like teriyaki sauce in my scrambled eggs. I haven't done it in a while. That was like Nico and I's thing for a bit, so I'm gonna add some of this. Have this to eat, and then we'll go back upstairs and keep packing. Okay everyone, we've honestly made a lot of progress with packing. This suitcase I'm really hoping to not open when I'm in Vegas, or open minimally, but ideally it would be not open at all. These are things that I still have yet to pack. This checked bag is where I'm going to be living out of for Vegas. Quite a few things I need to pack, as you can tell, but it's currently 2:25. I need to run to the orthodontist now to hopefully fix my little retainer situation. So I'm gonna leave my camera at home so that I can charge it, run to that appointment, and when we get back we will continue packing, continue working on laundry, hopefully get a workout in, and yeah, that'll be the rest of our afternoon. Hello, I'm back. So they completely removed the wire. Oh my god, also look at my thumb. It's just ink. So they completely removed the wire underneath my teeth, and my teeth feel really weird. I'm gonna continue packing. I am continuing with laundry. I just threw everything in the dryer. It's been a bit of a crazy day, and it's still not over. It's 3:50 right now, so we're gonna keep chugging along. I'm about to go back out because I have more errands to run. There are 3 things I need to do. Number 1, I need to go to the library and print out a ton of documents for for my dad and for my car. Number 2, I need to run to Mariano's because they have a Coinstar, and I have a ton of coins that I want to get changed into like cash. And then number 3, I need to fill up my tank. And I think after all of that, I will like almost be done with all of the work I have to do. So let's go do that. I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Task number 1 out of 3 is done. I think if I were a lot more into vlogging than I am right now, I would buy a car tripod, but right now it just doesn't warrant for it. I'm trying to cut off my little graduation tassel. Oh my god, finally. All right, now we are done with the library. I'm gonna go ahead and run to Mariano's now because they have a Coinstar, and I need to like change my coins into cash because I don't want to bring a ton of coins with me to California. Huge bag of coins I need to get switched out. I also had this little coin thing in my car, so I'm gonna pour it in this. How much do we think is in this bag of coins? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna say that this bag is worth $16. No. Oh, there's a rock in here. There's literally a rock in here. I'm gonna say it's worth $22. I need to turn on some music. It's like already 6 p.m. I still want to run. I still need to put away laundry. All right, let's go. I completely forgot to vlog the machine taking in all the coins, but I got $28.48 in the form of an Amazon gift card because that way they don't take out any fees. So, success. Errand number 2 done. 1 more left. I am going now to get gas. I'm just gonna fill up my tank before my car gets shipped to California, especially because gas in California costs at least like $1.50, $2 more per gallon, which is literally insane. I'm getting picked up for the airport at 2:45. So I probably won't sleep too much tonight. It'll be more like a nap, but it's okay. It's all right. I think at this point in the evening, all errands have been run, and I am so exhausted, but I still really want to work out. Let's do a time check, y'all. We've had a long day together. It's currently 6:30. Like I said, I still kind of want to work out, so I think I'm gonna change right now and just go downstairs and do a quick run. I have no idea how long I want to run, just enough to make me feel good. So I'm gonna go do that. Bye. Brief update to the vlog. I just finished running and I also had some dumplings for dinner, but I'm gonna end this vlog for this evening just because I'm not really doing anything else tonight besides packing and just getting ready to leave tomorrow. But yes, I'm gonna put the camera away for the night, so good night.